Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Canva.com. Click Login and sign in with the account that is paying for Canva Pro. Make sure you are on the correct workspace if you use multiple teams. Look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu, click Settings. On the left sidebar, find and click Billing. If you do not see Billing, click Billing and Plans or Plans and Pricing, depending on your version. On the Billing page, locate the section called Your Plan or Subscriptions. Click Manage Plan. If you are on a team plan, click the team name and then open Billing from that team's settings. Find the button that says Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan. Click Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan. Read the message that explains what will happen after cancellation. Check your renewal date so you know when Pro Access will end. Choose a cancellation reason if Canva asks you to select one. Click Continue to cancel to move to the next screen. If Canva offers a discount or pause option, select No Thanks if you still want to cancel. Confirm again by clicking Cancel Subscription on the final confirmation screen. Wait for the confirmation message that says your subscription is canceled. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from Canva. If you do not get an email, return to Billing and confirm the plan shows a canceled status or a renewal turned off. If you subscribe through Apple App Store, open iPhone Settings and tap your Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Canva and tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then Subscriptions. Select Canva and tap Cancel Subscription. If you are on a free trial, cancel before the trial end date to avoid being charged. If you are billed annually, note that cancellation stops renewal but typically does not refund past payments unless stated. If you need a refund or have billing issues, go to Canva Help Center and contact support from the billing section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.